Hello, trading is closed on July 23rd, 2018. My last call, so almost always this decline into Friday's close would get followed through on Monday. So the pattern tended to have an early low and a late high. And if the day were going to close negative, there should be a big drop in the first hour or two. Well, there wasn't a big drop and we didn't close negative. Pattern has a tendency to close near its high. When is today? Can't close over the early highs, middle of the day highs, can't even close over these highs. It's a sign the market rallied all day and didn't accomplish anything. Time isn't up. We could still gap up tomorrow, promptly take out these highs. That would get rid of the negative implications of the pattern. But if we don't gap and clear these early, MEJT has a target, 2804.25, most likely to print tomorrow, and 2801.98, most likely to print by early Wednesday, and that's my call. Here it gave a sell signal, but it said the drop wouldn't stick. It was false, would retrace. Gave a sell signal here, hasn't paid off yet. Here's the target. Said this rally's false, hasn't paid off. Here's the target. Well, this is still the general idea. We did fall a bit short of my 28, 23, 28, 24 target. I said all we needed for confirmation was to go under this low, but that never happened. And even though I'm not impressed with the close today, it still is a rather positive day to avoid going under that low. If in fact this is the count, I don't think this is wave 2, it might be W, a double 2 here, a double 3. If that's the count, I would think we have wave X as a strong impulse down, and I don't see that. I haven't seen it. So unless things change, we may have to get our erasers out with this count, but I still think the general idea is correct, that that's an impulse and this is a consolidation of some kind. So for tomorrow we have lower targets. Here's your 61.8% retracement, stopping at resistance with a pattern with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. And if you gap up first high enough, these numbers often are out of reach. And that's today's call.